for being here. My name is Jan and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make a dessert. Now this is one of the most popular desserts in the Philippines. It's ube. There's tons of ube recipes that you can find, but this is one of my favorite. This is the Ube Tart. So we're gonna make the tart shell from scratch, and then I use purple yam for the filling, so there is no artificial coloring. So we're just adding the cream, the butter. It is so nice and creamy and so delicious. So let me show you how to make it. In your food processor, combine flour, sugar, salt, and butter. Then process it until you get that crumb texture. Continue processing. Add the apple cider vinegar and the water. Now, once the dough becomes sticky, then you transfer it into a bowl and then you work the dough until it comes together. Once it comes together, you form it into a ball and then you wrap it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour. Now we're gonna start to work on our filling. Now you cook the purple yam, use the fork and mash the purple yam. Now heat the pan and then add the butter, add the brown sugar, add the heavy cream, and then add a little bit of coconut oil and also some vanilla. And then cook the filling until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. And then set them aside. Now let's start rolling the dough. Now dust the surface with flour to prevent it from sticking. And now if you see that the sides of the dough are cracking, you just kind of press it together and then grease the tart pan. And then roll the dough onto your rolling pin and then place it over your tart pan and then cut the excess dough on the sides and bake the dough for about 15 minutes. Now, after baking the dough, now you have the tart shell. Now we're gonna fill it with our purple yam filling and then we're gonna bake it again for another 15 minutes. For the meantime, let's make our whipped cream. It's heavy cream. You keep mixing and then you add the powdered sugar and keep mixing until you get that stiff consistency. And now once your ube tart is completely cold, then pipe the whipped cream on top.